I'm really hopeful that the Supreme Court takes Rahimi as an opportunity to clarify the Bruin standard, because the point in Rahimi, in the Fifth Circuit, which struck down the domestic violence offender or restraining order ban, because they said, look, the founding era had no analog for this. They didn't disarm abusers back then, and they didn't disarm them when the 14th Amendment was ratified either. So the Supreme Court now needs to tell us, how are we actually supposed to look at this when we're looking at things like the domestic violence? I mean, domestic violence was just not something that was prosecuted back then. It was something that was just existed. They put up with it, which is deplorable. And does that mean that Congress really can never regulate domestic violence offenders or suspects in this manner? I would hope not, but that's the way that Bruin points, and the Supreme Court needs to tell us a little more about it. And in doing so, they can also probably tell us a little more about how we should be analyzing the felon in possession ban, and for Hunter Biden, the drug user ban.